Hello everyone, welcome to Clinilaunch Knowledge Pod. Today we are going to discuss the importance of demo classes in healthcare education. Demo classes play an important role in healthcare education, provides the prospective students with an opportunity to experience the learning environment, interact with the faculty, and to assess if the program aligns with their career goals. Let's see some of the key benefits of attending a demo class. It gives an overview of the program. Demo classes offer a glimpse into the curriculum, teaching methodologies, and overall structure of the program. This helps students to understand if a program aligns with their learning style and interests. You will get a chance to meet the faculty. Meeting and interacting with the faculty gives the students an opportunity to gauge their experience, teaching style, and availability for mentorship. You can assess the curriculum. Demo classes allow students to evaluate the relevance and quality of the course content, ensuring it meets their academic and career aspirations. Students can get familiarized with the learning environment. They can experience the classroom atmosphere, facilities, and resources available to them. And they can ask questions and clarify whatever doubts they may have about the program. And not to forget, peer interactions. Demo classes provide a good chance to connect with the potential classmates and get insights into the program's social and academic environment. Overall, attending demo classes is an essential step in making informed decision about pursuing healthcare education. At Clinilaunch, we offer numerous demo classes to help students understand the program's offerings, to assess their fit with the institution, and to make a confident choice about their future. So, see you in the demo class next time. Thanks for watching.